You guys also tired about the impact that is going to create from the SEBI's new regulations? Well, stay tuned and watch this video till the end to know how to make these changes in QuantMan. As per the SEBI's new regulations, there will be only one instrument which will have the weekly expire for both NSE and BSE. For NSE, the instrument would be like Nifty, and for BSE, the instrument would be like Sensex. And all other indexes will have the monthly expiry. So don't worry, let's do all those changes in QuantMan itself. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. As usual, log in into QuantMan platform. Once you have logged in, go to Create Strategy page. Now, we will backtest this for 2 years from 2022. As we are going to create this strategy for the monthly expiry, let's take the instrument as Banknifty. Let's change the time frame into 5 minutes. And let's add 3 indicators like RSI, Super Trend and pivot points. Now I am going to give the entry condition as RSI is above 63, which means that whenever my market is in upward direction, I am going to enter into my trade. Now I am going to add another condition like current close is above super trend, which means that whenever there is a strong momentum, I am going to enter into my trade. And I am going to add another condition like current close is above pivot points R1. By the combination of all these 3 indicators, this will help me to reduce my false signals, and it will only take trades whenever there is upward trending momentum. And now I am going to give my exit condition as current close is below super trend. As for this monthly expiry strategy, I am going to take straddle, which means that I am going to add 2 legs with selling both call option and put option. And now I am going to change my current week into current month, and maximum transaction per day will be around 3. And now let's see the backtested result for this monthly expiry. As we have backtested this strategy for 2 years, it gives me a winning probability around 61.81%, and my risk per trade is also above 1%. And my drawdown is around 18,440. And now we can see in days of week which has been got hit and missed, and profit and loss for the entire month. And all the transactions related to this trade will be shown below. Yeah, that's it. It is not a trading strategy recommendation. The idea is to show you how the trading strategies has to be adapted to the new regulations. If you guys have any strategies related to the expiry date, do let us also know in the comment section. Hope this video finds useful for you. For more such updates and videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. This video is just for your education and trading purpose. Our motive is to make you a better trader.